What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. We back with another Fair God Essential video. Last time I did this type of video, like 2 times I did this already, and it does pretty good on views. Clearly, you guys like this. The people out there love essentials from Fair God. It's great material. I'm not just saying that. I actually have a couple pieces in my personal collection. This collection I did buy some personal. I just have to go through them, so I'm gonna know exactly what I'm gonna keep while I wear them. For the thumbnail, I'm gonna show you guys all the bags. I didn't want to bring all the bags here. I'm gonna secretly do it one by one pieces. Excuse me. So right now I'm gonna try them on. We're gonna do a voiceover. So I'm gonna show you guys. I got shorts, sweatpants. I think I got one hoodie. No t-shirts in this collection because I didn't think I needed that, because based off the previous stuff I sold, I don't want to buy no t-shirts. I mean, they do sell long-term, but the hoodies, shorts, those do good on resale market. So, let's get right into it. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 400 plus. We're on our way to 400 plus subs, and also, comment whatever you want to comment. I respond to all my comments. So, let's get into the video, because I do have a lot of pieces. I have, like I said, I have a whole bunch of stuff. We're gonna go through the rundown, piece by piece. Hit the Instagram as well as check out the main channel. Those 2 links will be down below in the description, so go check out that. And let's get right into the video so I can try on these pieces. Let's get it. So just like the clip you're gonna see next, the black crew neck. This is personally the gray crew neck. Just like I said in that part, you're gonna hear I said go size down. So if you're truly a large, go get a medium. If you're a medium like me, go down to a small. So this is the gray crew neck piece of the Fair God Essential. Recently, the new drop. So that's definitely how it fits. Not true to size. So if you want your stuff to fit true to size, go a size under. If you want it baggy, go up. If you want it tight, then you could just keep going down, if that makes any sense. Like, if you wear large and you want it baggy, then get your true to size, basically. Not go a size up. Yeah, my bad. If you want it a little baggy, just go to your true size, okay? Because with Essential Fair God, you have to either go size up or down, depending on how you like the fitting. So I'm a medium, but that's a small right there. And that's the great piece. And that's it. So right here, we got the black Essentials Fair God crew neck. Definitely, I always say when it comes to the top pieces, go down a size, because I remember getting a t-shirt and it was a medium and it was way too big, because I didn't know this is one of those brands that you have to go down a size. So that size is right there is a small, and you see how it fits perfectly. So that's the black crew neck. Definitely, I wasn't thinking about keeping this, but I don't like it personally for myself. It's too basic, and I don't know. I don't think I'm really in the mood these days for any crew necks too much, depending on how it fits. But that's the length of it. It gives you a little baggy room, but definitely go under a size. So like I said in the clip before this, after this, I'm talking in the future, but I'm working backwards. So yeah, in the clip after this, you'll see what I said about the shorts. Same way I kind of say about the sweatpants, which these are a personal pair, so I am keeping these, and these are a size small. Like I did state before or after, depending on how you're listening to this clip. I'm 5'8", so that's how tall I am. So I go with a size small because it fits perfectly like that. Anything in these sweats or anything in the sweat shorts, medium to me will feel too big. So those are my personal sweatpants. I do like them because it's black, and you can never get tired of too many black sweatpants or track pants. And these sweatpants, definitely I went a size under, because I'm usually a medium. But you see how perfect it fits on me. It's a nice small, and it motivates me to lose some more weight. So definitely, you could go down a size if you want your clothes fitted perfectly. At least that's how I feel when I wear them, a size down, because a medium would be too big for me. Hey, yo, that's what she said. But yeah, that's the black sweatpants. Now, y'all see everything. So let's get into the next clip. right, cool. So these right here is a special piece, if I'm not mistaken. I can't really tell based off how I'm doing the voice audio, but these are the sweatpants, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see when I stand up. Oh no, okay, that's the shorts. My bad. The sweatpants is probably in the clip before it, but the shorts, definitely, I think that those are size small. So in the sweatpants shorts, I always say go a size down. Not true to size on those. I know volley shorts and the sweatpants shorts are all different sizing. But if you want, you could go true to size, good and medium. But with those, I treat those like sweatpants and I get the small. So those are definitely a small, but they're not a personal. So I'm definitely going to be selling those. And so I definitely don't want no black shorts because I just don't like the way they fit and how they look when I wear certain shoes. I did contemplate to keeping it, but I'm not. So I'm just trying it on for you guys to show you how it fits. Those are definitely a small shorts and the sweatpants shorts. So yeah, they cool, they calm. You see how they look. So, and I'm 5'8", by the way. So this is me trying on the track shorts. But this is the olive colorway / taupe colorway. I don't know. I feel like this is more olive, but I don't know. Maybe my eyes is playing tricks on me. But yeah, this is a size medium, as well as the next shorts you're gonna see in the next clip. Cause I'm filming these audios like backwards. That's just better for me and easier for me when I edit. But I always go true to size to these track shorts. You see, I'm showing you. If it was a small, you see it'd be way more higher. So I always say with these, go true to size. And you could tie it any way you want, whichever style you prefer. That's obviously your choice. So that's how it fits, true to size on the shorts. And you know, I even sat down to show you a little bit how it's like high waters, but it fits right to your kneecaps. So go true to size on these shorts. All right, let's get to the next clip. So yeah, this is me trying on the track shorts. These I say go true to size because they do fit a little tight. So go true to size. I got these in a medium. But if you want it to be real tight, then yeah, you could go to down a size like I did with the pants that you're going to see in the next clip. But with the shorts and the volley shorts, the track shorts, definitely go true to size. That's why these are a medium. And I just want to show you the logo right there and how it fits. It's a little baggy on me, but I got to tie them a little tighter. That's why you could do your own little style. You see me, I tied double knot on them. But yeah, so that's really it for these shorts. At this point, like the video, comment, subscribe. We're on our way to 400 plus subs, so keep supporting. So just like in the previous clip, these are the track pants, and I wear a size medium in regular pants, but in Farragut Essentials I always say go down a size, so I went for a small in these track pants. I didn't forget about these. I thought they sent me the same shorts like in the previous clip, but they didn't. So you see me trying on the pants now. That's why this clip is last. So yeah, this is me fitting it on. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.